Long before, Sulu is a wonderful place to live in. And accordingly, it is also known as one of the most powerful places in the Philippines. This is Earth, and this is the tiny place of Sulu. Sulu is a province of the Philippines in the Sulu archipelago and part of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. It is rich in cultures, beliefs, tradition, and accordingly, it is one of the powerful places in the Southeast Asia because of the Sultanate of Sulu long time ago. But it turns out the track and the pride of our ancestors that left in us are actually ruined. Before I will tell you what the problem is, allow me to show to you first what other people perceive when they heard the name Sulu. This is what other people think. They always think that Sulu is full of terrorism, kidnappings, bombings, crimes, and other bad incidents that can destroy the innocent image of this place. Everyone, stop. We must stop thinking those kinds of bad concept of mindset because it's not helping the society itself. Because as far as everyone knows, Sulu is not just revolving around in those bad circumstances. In the contrary, it has hundreds of good happenings that are unseen and behind of those bad aspects that are seen. And here it goes. Sulu has a plenty of organization that is fighting for peace, and the majority that is in those organizations are youths. But not just that, Sulu is a Muslim community that Christians and Muslims are living together with love, care, respect, and peace. And the most precious thing that you must know is that people in this place such as known as Tausugs are not just known as brave, because they are also full of good attitudes, especially in the rural areas. Because if you are a new guy in those areas, they will offer you a food to eat, a shelter to sleep, and the most of all that, they will entertain you and treat you as a member of their family. But still, it is not the end of all of this, because I'm going to share to you some of those notable persons that is here in Sulu that could make this country proud. Because in Sulu, we have a powerful sultan that saved an elephant from its extinction, a charismatic leader, an international chess arbiter, a national chess player, an international dance competitor, an international singer, a national journalist, a philanthropist, a folk hero, a novelist, a judge, a great motivator, a Gamaba awardee, a bunch of talented persons, a bunch of artists, a bunch of leaders, and a multi-awarded woman who also compete to the other country in extemporaneous speaking. But the problem is, did we all know why these remarkable, beautiful things are seemingly remain unseen and slowly be forgotten? I tell you why. It is because on how people see this place and who Tausugs are. I guess now, you already know what the problem is. And this is no other than the bad concept of mindset. We must be awakened. The origin of all of this problem was on how people perceive and believe with their own negativity within their twisted gray matter or brain. Because people look this place as war zone, wherein the group of bandits itself wouldn't care on what the probable outcome of their illegal activities and action. Also, mostly, people often actually believe that this place is full of negativities, such as a place without further improvement, a place without future, a place that no one cares about. This is the disgusting mindset that we have, wherein if we just change it and have care to this place, we will then see a place that was full of respect, love, unity, and peace.
Because I believe, as what Steve Maraboli once said, once your mindset changes, everything on the outside will change along with it. So, help me on changing it.
So now, just imagine if we all work together, hand in hand, including the bandits, governments, people in this place, and even in the whole world, change the way we think on this place, we can able to have a better future. Because
The only time and moment that I can say that Sulu is a better place to live in is that when our mindsets are totally fixed.
this video would not just remind everybody to change their mindset. It is also serve as an acknowledgement to the beautiful sides of Sulu. Rather, it would also serve as a reminder to my fellow Tausug tribes to not let down who they are and where they came from. Because we must be proud with our own nasensi, with our own homeland Sulu, and for being a Tausug.
That's all. See you on the next video.